This question is a short question. A card is drawn at random from a standard deck of playing cards, so 52 cards, spades, diamonds, hearts, and so on. It is an ace. And what is the probability that it is the ace of diamonds? Now, first off, if we were to disregard this sentence here, this short sentence, it would simply be a very short question. One card from 52, but it's 1 over 52. But we do have this sentence, so we do have this additional bit of knowledge. What is the probability that it is the ace of diamonds? So, what is the probability that the ace is picked? Okay, so given that we know it is an ace, so the wording of this question is very important. So there are 4 card suits, as we say. So I sort of said them there earlier: hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. So and each of those have a 1, 2, 3, 4, queen, king, and ace, and so on. So there is actually a 1 in 4 chance, because we know it's an ace of diamonds. There's only 4 aces, and it's only 1 in 4 chance. So, what I'm going to do is just sort of backtrack a bit here and sort of rephrase take the question from a different approach. So, what I'm going to sort of say here is what is the probability that it is the ace and diamond? It's an ace card and a diamond card. Okay, that is 1 in 52. Probability of an ace is 4 in 52. Okay. So the question we're being specifically asked is, what is the probability of it being the ace of diamonds given that it is an ace? Okay. So let's just write this. I'm going to sort of scroll down here a little bit. I'm going to call this event here AD, the ace of diamonds. I'm just going to sort of rename that. Probability of ace of diamonds. AD. So the probability that it is the ace of diamonds, given that we know it's an ace, is the probability that it is the ace of diamonds and an ace all over the probability of it being an ace. Now, just to be clear about something, I'm doing something a bit strange here that's a bit unusual. This is why it makes this question so interesting. So, I sort of said ace of diamonds, ace and diamond, and I just call that AD. So AD, it means it's an ace card, ace of diamonds, an ace card and a diamond, and also over here I have an ace. So we can actually, in this particular question, we can just disregard that part. The reason is I sort of wrote the whole thing out is because I wanted to make it familiar with the conditional probability formula. So here we have it again. Probability of ace of diamonds divided by ace. That's 1 over 52 divided by 4 over 52. Which is 1 in 4 or 0.25. Okay. Now, that's the question really. I've done it from sort of just thinking it through point of view and also from the conditional probability point of view. But the reason I've done it from the conditional probability point of view is because I just sort of rephrase this as AD, but it's essentially ace and diamonds is AD. So we have ace and diamonds and ace. So this second part here is redundant, and we can just... We've already accounted for the fact it was an ace. So we have probability of AD divided by the probability of ace, because we know it's an ace. Okay, so that ends this presentation. And again, all about wording.